Hi everyone, welcome back to Friday Fabric Finds. I am Mitchell. I am a manager here at Fort Worth Fabric Studio.
And my name is Justin. I am a photographer and product adder.
Once again, this series is just us going over the newsletter with you. So every Friday and Tuesday we send out a newsletter, and this is the Friday newsletter that we are covering with you. Today is Friday, February the 2nd. That being said, we have a new Friday bundle released today. This one is called Heartbreaker. It is a 6-piece fat quarter bundle. It is priced at $23.96. It is a very Valentine's Day themed. That means you have your hearts, you have some note cards, you have some notes on there, and it's all in red and pink.
Next we have Scarlet Story from Blank Quilting. This collection features the yardage, the 24-inch panels, as well as the Suits Me Table Runner Kit. Ooh. Now this table runner is perfect for game nights. This collection has reds, blacks, whites, grays, and is playing card themed. So make sure you go check that out.
Next is Great Journey from Figo. This is a children's travel themed group, has lots of browns and blues and tans and grays. So we have the full yardage collection. We also have the sail quilt kit with that. This quilt kit does seem to be very easy to make. It's a lot of triangles. So if you can easily sew you some triangles, this kit will be done in no time with you.
Next we have Saturday Stash Black and White from Free Spirit. This collection is special precuts from Free Spirit. They are all black and white themed. We have the fat quarter bundles, 10-inch squares, and 2.5-inch strips. So make sure if you need any like neutral black and white colored projects, make sure you check this out.
Next we have Marrakech from Northcott. Sorry if I'm mispronouncing that. We have the full yard collection for that. We have the 24-inch panels, we have 10-inch squares, we have 2.5-inch strips, and we also have the Moroccan tiles quilt kit for that. This kit I'd say also looks very geometrical. It is a mandala themed group overall with blues, maroons, golds, greens, and purples.
Next we have a sale on the Entwined Quilt Kits. This is with Dewdrop Bolly Pops from Hotham. The regular price before the sale is $129.96. After the sale, however, it is $64.96. Yeah, dude, that's almost a steal.
Ain't no steal. Ooh, go get those while supplies last. Woo! I feel like that's gonna go out quick. Next, we want to talk about the mystery kit. Currently, we have our Valentine's Mystery Kit going on. We are calling this one Matters of the Heart. So this one started last week by us on January 22nd. So we are currently in week 2. So if you're keeping up with us, that's awesome. If not, this kit is priced at $78.96. You also don't need to purchase this kit to follow along with us. We do have this pattern free of charge online on our website. So if you have your own fabric, you can join right along with us and sew with us. If you are also not part of our Facebook group, we have a Facebook group called the Fort Worth Fabric Sewing Room. This is perfect for any quilter. If you have quilted any mystery kits along with us, or if you plan on it, or if you just want to see what it's like, go and look at our Facebook group. We have people that are going along with our mystery kit in there, probably posting their progress pictures, asking questions. Anything that you want to discuss regarding our mystery kits is easily covered in there, so make sure to go check that out.
Next, we have First Light from Northcott. This features the assorted yardage as well as forced frame quilt kits. This is a forest themed group with deer, and the colors are greens, browns, blues, and grays. So definitely if you need some kind of like forest or animal themed project, definitely check this one out.
Very deer forward. Next, I want to talk about Baby in Bloom Flannel from 3 Wishes. This is a small flannel collection that is very much baby themed with woodland animals. So you have your little foxes on there, you have some bunnies, you have some deers,
very
some
cute
bears. This is all in a color palette of green, white, pink, and brown. So yeah, any kit project that you might be working on that is very kid themed and you want some flannels in there, go check out Baby in Bloom Flannel from 3 Wishes.
Second to the last thing we want to talk about is our February bargains. We are adding new items that are on sale daily, including just like remnants and other things. So make sure you are checking that daily because we add to it daily.
Lastly, wanted to talk about if you see there in the favorites, we have our Fort Worth Fabric Studio calendar. These calendars have monthly discount codes in there. Every 3rd Wednesday, there's a discount code in there. This can range from many things. 10 to 15% off, maybe 20% off, free bundle if you order a certain amount. There's tons of things in this calendar. If you're interested in any discount codes of that, go check out that calendar. That is priced at $15.96. Also, quick note on that, if you got like pictures from someone of the gift codes, they will not work. You have to purchase this calendar yourself for those codes to be activated. That being said, I think that covers this week's episode of Friday Fabric Finds.
That was a lot of fun.
Once again, we just covered the newsletter. Hopefully you enjoyed this week's episode, and we'll see you next week. Thanks for watching.